If you want to change notes in bulk, then you can select different notes in bulk and then add in changes to them. So to do that, you need to go around over here and hover around the notes that you want to select. And as I hover around, you can see the check mark right here. If I were to go around and click, you can see that I can go around and select multiple notes right here, just like this. I can go around and select this, I can go around and select this, and so forth, just like this, as you can see. So now what you can do around with this is you can go around and apply different options. So over here on the top, you can see that you can go around, select out different background option for them, and all of the background changes at once, as you can see, for the selected notes. You can uncheck some of the notes right here if you don't want the change applied right away. You can go around over here, and then on the more section, you can add in labels. So let me just go around and add in TutorTube right here as a label, and the label TutorTube is applied on all of the selected notes, as you can see. You can go around over here and make a copy of all of them with bulk as well, and you can see that there's different options, like you can archive them over here as well, and then you can copy all the note content to Google Docs right here, just like this as well. So it is copying everything to Google Docs, and if I were to go around and click on Open Docs, then this is what you have, as you can see. So multiple contents is there. So that is how you can go around and then select out everything in bulk and then make changes in bulk inside of Google Keep. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.